Have you ever wondered if you're truly pushing your limits or just coasting through your workouts? A Best Heart Rate Monitor is your ultimate fitness companion, tracking every beat to optimize performance and maximize results. Whether you're an athlete or just starting your fitness journey, discover the best heart rate monitors to keep you in the zone and elevate your training. Searching for the best heart rate monitor is your ultimate fitness companion. Look no further. With so many options out there, the choice can feel endless. That's why we did the homework, researching deeply, reading countless reviews, and handpicking the top heart rate monitor from trusted brands. Watch this video till the end to discover your ideal pick, and don't forget to check the description box for all product links. Let's dive in. Our first pick is KardioMobile 1-lead personal EKG monitor. Imagine having peace of mind at your fingertips, literally. The KardioMobile 1-lead personal EKG monitor is your instant heart check-in, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. No appointments, no waiting rooms, just medical-grade heart monitoring in 30 seconds. With just 2 fingers, you can instantly detect atrial fibrillation, AFib, bradycardia, tachycardia, and normal sinus rhythm, helping you stay one step ahead of your heart health. No messy wires, no bulky equipment, just a sleek, pocket-sized device that works seamlessly with your smartphone. Trusted by top cardiologists and FDA cleared, KardioMobile has already recorded over 100 million EKGs, making it the #1 doctor-recommended personal EKG monitor. No subscription needed, save, review, and even email your results to your doctor in seconds. Stay in control of your heart health. Whether you're managing a condition or just want peace of mind, KardioMobile makes heart monitoring effortless, accessible, and reliable. Your heart deserves it. Take charge today, because every heartbeat matters. Our next choice is the EMAY Portable ECG Monitor. The EMAY Portable ECG Monitor provides instant medical-grade heart monitoring at your fingertips. With a simple press of a button, this compact wireless device records a 30-second ECG reading, giving you fast, accurate insights into your heart rhythm. No appointments, no waiting, just real-time monitoring at home, at work, or on the go. Unlike traditional bulky ECG machines, this lightweight device fits in your pocket, ensuring you're always prepared. No subscriptions, no hidden costs. Your health should never come with limitations. Sync your data to the EMAY app or PC program to track your heart's performance over time and instantly share reports with your doctor for expert analysis. With multiple recording methods, hand to hand, hand to chest, hand to leg, you get a comprehensive and highly accurate view of your heart's health. Backed by FDA-cleared technology and trusted by professionals, the EMAY Portable ECG Monitor gives you complete control and confidence in managing your heart health. Because when it comes to your well-being, every beat counts. At number 3, we are now talking about Polar H9 heart rate sensor. Every beat counts when you're chasing fitness goals, and the Polar H9 heart rate sensor is built to deliver unmatched accuracy with every workout. Whether you're crushing a cycling session, powering through high-intensity interval training, or hitting the pavement for a long run, this ECG-level heart rate monitor ensures you stay in the zone with real-time precision. Unlike unreliable wrist-based trackers, the Polar H9 provides flawless connectivity with Bluetooth, ANT+, and 5 kHz transmission, allowing seamless pairing with smartwatches, fitness apps, gym equipment, and more. From Polar Beat and Nike, plus Run Club to Peloton, you get the freedom to train your way without missing a beat. Built for endurance, the long-lasting battery powers up to 400 hours of workouts, meaning months of training without interruptions. The ultra-comfortable chest strap stays securely in place, so you can focus on pushing limits, not adjusting gear. When precision matters, don't settle for guesswork. Level up your training with the Polar H9 and train smarter, perform stronger, and push further than ever before. Are you ready to take control of your performance? Our fourth pick is the Scotia Rhythm R Plus 2.0 Heart Rate Monitor Armband. Tired of uncomfortable chest straps that shift, chafe, and distract you mid-workout? It's time to upgrade your fitness game with the Scotia Rhythm R Plus 2.0 Heart Rate Monitor Armband, the ultimate blend of precision, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Designed for runners, cyclists, swimmers, and gym warriors, this sleek IP68 waterproof armband gives you hyper-accurate heart rate tracking without the hassle. Whether you're sprinting, lifting, or swimming, advanced optical sensor technology ensures every heartbeat is measured with precision, helping you train smarter, recover faster, and perform at your peak. Seamlessly connect to Peloton, Apple Watch, Strava, and more with dual ANT Plus and Bluetooth compatibility, so your data is always where you need it. The adjustable, breathable band stays put during the most intense workouts, giving you freedom to move while staying laser focused on your goals. And with an impressive 24-hour battery life, you can push past limits without worrying about power. Stop second-guessing your progress. Get real-time insights, unlock your full potential, and redefine your fitness journey with the Scotia Rhythm R Plus 2.0. It's time to train like never before. Now finally, we will discuss our last pick, the KUSPO H6 Heart Rate Monitor Chest Strap. Training smarter starts with knowing your heart. The KUSPO H6 Heart Rate Monitor Chest Strap is designed for athletes, cyclists, and fitness enthusiasts who demand real-time, pinpoint accuracy without compromise. Say goodbye to unreliable wrist-based tracking and experience ECG-level precision that helps you optimize workouts, measure progress, and push beyond your limits. With dual Bluetooth and ANT Plus connectivity, this chest strap seamlessly pairs with top fitness apps, sports watches, bike computers, and gym equipment, including Peloton, Concept 2, Garmin, and Zwift, giving you ultimate control over your performance. The lightweight adjustable strap ensures all-day comfort, while its IP67 sweatproof rating stands up to intense training sessions. Whether you're sprinting, cycling, or hitting the gym, KUSPO H6 delivers unwavering consistency, real-time feedback, and 300 hours of battery life, making it an essential tool for serious training. Take charge of your fitness, fine-tune your endurance, and train like a pro, one heartbeat at a time. And there you have it, the 5 best heart rate monitors for peak performance. Whether you're an elite athlete, weekend warrior, or just starting your fitness journey, having accurate, real-time heart rate tracking can make all the difference. From precision chest straps to ultra-comfortable armbands, these devices ensure that every workout is optimized for maximum results. Which heart rate monitor will power your next training session? Let us know in the comments. Click the links in the description to learn more about these amazing heart rate monitors. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite or any questions you have. And of course, hit subscribe and press the bell icon for more expert picks and reviews. Thanks for watching.